In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use price action trading in MetaTrader 5. Price action is all about reading the story of price on a clean chart without relying on complicated indicators. The goal is clarity, so you can make confident, rules-based decisions. Start by opening a clean chart. In MetaTrader 5, load your market, switch the chart type to candlesticks, and remove any indicators you don't truly need. Keep the view simple and uncluttered so the candles are easy to read. If you prefer a small guide, add just one moving average as a visual reference, but don't let it dominate your decisions. Price comes first. Next, choose a time frame that fits your pace. On M15, you'll see fast signals with more noise. H1 is a balanced middle ground, ideal for many beginners. H4 moves slower, but often gives the cleanest signals. Pick one for execution and stick with it during your session so your analysis stays consistent. Now, identify the market structure. Zoom out slightly and read the swings. In an uptrend, you'll see higher highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, you'll see lower highs and lower lows. If price is moving sideways with overlapping swings, you're in a range. Let structure guide your bias. Price action always follows structure, so trade with it rather than against it unless there's a clear shift. With structure in mind, mark key levels. Use simple horizontal lines to highlight support, where price has previously bounced up, and resistance, where price has been pushed down. Focus on obvious swing highs and lows in zones that have been respected multiple times. Clean levels help you plan entries and exits objectively. Then wait for price action signals at those key levels. For potential buys, look for a bullish engulfing candle, a pin bar with a long lower wick, or a strong rejection from support. For potential sells, look for a bearish engulfing candle, a pin bar with a long upper wick, or a clear rejection from resistance. Signals carry more weight when they align with the prevailing structure. Enter only after confirmation. Let the candle close so the pattern is confirmed. Buy at support after a bullish candle confirms strength and sell at resistance after a bearish candle confirms rejection. Avoid entries in the middle of nowhere or mid-candle. Patience prevents avoidable losses. Finally, set your stop loss and take profit. Place your stop just beyond the candle wick or slightly beyond the support or resistance you're trading from. Aim your take profit at the next logical support or resistance zone so the trade has room to play out. Keep risk controlled, stay consistent, and practice this approach in a demo before going live.